Good morning, cleaning family. So we are actually at one of our commercial cleaning accounts today, and we are going to be giving you a tour of what one of our accounts looks like and how it is that we clean it. So stay tuned because we have a YouTube video for you guys. This video is powered by Next Insurance. Now, this commercial cleaning account we only do once a week, and each time that we perform the cleaning, it is a deep cleaning. Now, we do disinfect all of the surfaces that we can access, meaning that we're not going to move all of these items on the desk, but we will wipe what we can. We also make sure to disinfect the keyboards and the phones. Here in this front area, we will do some high dusting, wipe the surfaces that we can access. Over here in this corner, we will wipe and disinfect the front of the refrigerator and this little coffee stand area. Again, we're also going to be removing and replacing any trash cans. We're going to be doing the high dusting, cleaning all surfaces that we can access, cleaning the windows, wiping down the baseboards, vacuuming and mopping the floor, and of course, removing and replacing any trash. As you can see, there are a lot of items, but we will do our best to dust, disinfect, clean baseboards, light switches, floors, and trash in each and every room. Now here we have 2 single bathrooms. In each bathroom, we're going to do the high dusting, cleaning any glass, disinfecting anything that might be hanging on the walls, removing and replacing the trash, wiping the baseboards, vacuuming and mopping the floor. And of course, if we need to replace any of the paper towel or toilet paper, we will do that also. Back here in the kitchen area, again, with the high dusting, disinfecting the interior and exterior of these microwaves, all of the surfaces, the cabinet fronts, and the sink. We're going to disinfect the light switches, and of course, we're going to wipe down the baseboards and vacuum and mop the floor. This video is powered by Next Insurance, the smarter, faster way to get coverage for your cleaning business. Don't wait until it's too late. Grab your free quote today by using the link in the description of this video. This particular account has a lot of high traffic, meaning that there are a lot of people that work here. Now there is a second floor. This is actually where we start. We actually start on the second floor because the staff starts to come in early. So we work up here, move our way down to the back area, which I will show you next. And then we clean our way out on that main floor that I just took you on a tour on. So up here, you'll see it's very cluttered. However, we're going to do our best. We're going to do the high dusting, wiping down and disinfecting any surfaces, keyboards, this tabletop, wiping down the baseboards or dusting them, vacuuming and mopping the floor, and removing and replacing any of the trash can liners, and of course, cleaning any of the interior windows that need to be wiped. It's a lot of repetitive stuff, you guys. Eventually, you will learn your checklist off the top of your head. Usually, I say it in order from top to bottom. So I'll say like high dusting, windows, surfaces, removing and replacing any trash, wiping baseboards, vacuuming and mopping, kind of in that order. And then it just becomes second nature. In the kitchen, again, the front of the cabinets, all of the surfaces, the front of the refrigerator, the coffee pot, the coffee area. We want to make sure to disinfect the light switches, baseboards, vacuum and mop floors. We have another bathroom up here. It's a single bathroom. Again, high dusting, cleaning glass, low dusting, cleaning all of the toilets, sinks, anything that anyone would touch, doorknobs, all of the hanging areas. Back here, we do have a small closet where we keep some supplies, but now I'm going to give you a tour to the second half of this account. Now, again, we do start upstairs because the client requests that we do that, and then we throw the trash down and we move our way back to this area. Then we come back to the first floor and clean our way out since we do enter the first door. Back here, there is a large bathroom and a kitchen area that's locked, and I wasn't able to record. But let me show you these really dirty bathrooms, you guys. We have 2 single bathrooms, and then in that back room, there are 2 stalls. Now, there are a lot of people working here. I believe we're open 24/7, so you can only imagine that after 7 days, it really needs a deep cleaning. And yes, I've tried to get this client to have us come more than once a week on numerous occasions, and they're just not interested. But that's okay. We're going to do the best that we can once a week and make sure to get this place spick and span.
Great news, cleaning family. I have officially launched my Cleaning Business Mentor online community, which is a paid monthly membership to an online community of cleaning business owners from all around the globe. Also included are group coaching calls, some of my online courses, new digital downloads, members only videos, and so much more. If you guys are interested in joining my online community with tons of ongoing support, be sure to go ahead and sign up today. Link in the description of this video.
So in this next clip or this next part of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys kind of how we do some of the cleaning. And I really hope that you find this video educational and informational. Also, I'll be sure to share some of the clean times on the screen in terms of how long does it take us to actually clean this account. There are typically, 2 people coming here to clean, sometimes 1. I'm going to give you the total amount of time because it doesn't matter if I tell you if it's 10 hours, it's 10 hours. 2 people, 5 times 2 is 10. 1 person, 10 hours, but it's nowhere near that long.
This video is powered by Next Insurance.